Hello, my name's Ryan Harden, and welcome to another MotoCast review. What do you get when you mix a tailgate and a loading ramp? You get a HandiGateRamp. This piece of equipment will work as a loading ramp and a tailgate, but also dubs as a workstation. Let's go inside and take a look at the components and how it's put together. Now that we got the HandiGateRamp out of the boxes and set out, you'll notice that the hardware and all the pieces are clearly marked as to what they are. So when we're going through our owner's manual, it'll be easier to set it up on the truck. All right, now that we got the HandiGateRamp assembled, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to load and unload some machines. First thing we want to do, take off the safety clips. The thing's got safety latches on it. So let's load up some machines. All right, so we learned that the HandiGateRamp works great for almost every application. One of the things it doesn't work so great for is low motorcycles and ATVs with plows on them. But some of that could be because this ramp is on a 1-ton truck, which is typically higher off the ground and the springs are real stiff. The lower the truck sits, the better the angle, and you'll be able to get the lower profile machines up the ramp. When we were putting the HandiGateRamp together, it's a very solid unit. Most of the pieces went together real well. We did have some trouble with some of the nuts and bolts, but the instructions were well laid out. We called up the company, got some outstanding customer service, and it's just very well built and very well thought out. So we learned from the experience that we got here today that the HandiGateRamp has a certain amount of weight to it. It has to, in order to hold the 1,200 pounds that it's rated at, or a little bit more or a little bit less. We also learned that when you're picking the ramp up, that holding it at certain pivot points makes it a whole lot easier. And then once it's in its upright position, it's pretty easy to just close it up and lock it down. But it takes a few times getting used to it in order to feel comfortable with it, just like anything else. But it's very well thought out, very well designed, like we were saying, and overall we're very happy with this product. Another nice feature is the coating on this. It's a polymer based coating. It's like powder coat, but it seems to hold up a little bit better. It gives it a plastic feel, and it'll prevent a lot of corrosion, rust, debris from from attacking the metal. It is stainless. All the bolts and equipment are all stainless. All the hardware is stainless or aluminum. And yeah, it's built to last.